Hi everyone, 2022 is almost over. So here is our YouTube review for the year 2022. So guys, that's our journey in YouTube for the year of 2022. Now I want to share also about my life review in 2020. So we'll start, it's a short review only guys. I just want to share whole year short review of my life in 2020. So here we start. In January, I bought call me please as equivalent of my 1 month salary. It's me. The salary is not that much. And in February, I lost my job just because I completed my contract, so I decided to find another job. So I leave my previous job, and then in March I found a new one. So I joined in a big company as a messenger here in Dubai. So in April is an adjustment month for everything, expenses, about living, spend less, spend less. So but everything is in control. So the May is a stress month for me because at that time I got a problem about my residency. So it's very stressful month. And in June, I finally got all what I need to stay legally anyway. And July, oh, July is my first month. Actually, I didn't celebrate a birthday celebration, but important we living in positive life. And then August is everything good. Finally, September come. Sober is here. It's mean 2022 is past smoothly. Then October, I decided to, actually it is unplanned, but I enrolled in Torch Institute. I taking up the CNA course. And then November is everything good. And finally, we are in the last month of 2022. So December is the most expensive month. Here we cannot stop to celebrate, giving gift, celebrating Christmas, and sharing what we have. That is the most important. Even not much, but at least we can share. So in shortly, my 2022 is very good, but hope the better in 2022. So how about yours? You can share yours too. Happy New Year!